got this box in the mail. I'm expecting something, but this is not anything I'm expecting. So let's see what it is. Because I'm clueless, because I haven't ordered anything. So okay. So what? Ooh, it is what I thought it was, but it didn't say from when it was coming from. It didn't say that it was here or any Oster information. But hey, here it is, guys. I just got it. I got anything else in the box? Nah. It's a bunch of paper. So, guys, before I do an unboxing on this clipper here, I wanna do a backstory to see how to tell you guys how I actually got it. And it's very funny because they had a giveaway on July of last year, 2021, and I happened to win, right? So this clipper was supposed to come out like at the end, I would say October, November of last year, and I don't know what happened, but it got delayed. So that I got this little note with it that said, "So sorry for the wait. We hope you love them." And the person's name, I don't know if that person wanted me to say the name, and the Oster Pro team. So yeah, this is how I got it. I actually, when they asked me what color, I said red, but I still got a black. Hey, the thing with getting this color is that there will be only specific places that you can get it. I think the red, you can get it anywhere. So this is more like an exclusive series. They claim to be last 90 minutes of battery life, and it has technology that it would adjust to give a constant power. They also claim to be able to cut any type of hair, go through any type of hair. So let's see how accurate that is. And the blade, it goes from a 000 to a number 1. But let's see what's inside. Okay. Got the Oster, the instruction, the manual. We don't really read that. Here it is. Clipper. And what's in here? Okay. So, you know, it has guards, oil, cable. This is the station. Whew. I have to say, compared to the other charging station that I have, this is big. It's very big. But let's set it up there in my station, laying everything down. Here we are, guys, in my station. As you can see, this is the size of the Oster Fast Feed charger, and that's the mast. That's the wall for the seniors and the magic clip. In comparison, you can tell this is the one for the Masters, and this is for the Andis trimmer, and this one is for the Gamma, the Mystic. So this is a huge charging station. So I'm trying to figure out where am I gonna put it, but so here we go. it's a big blade. And I have to say, this lever goes very, very far, from like up and down. So you can tell it goes from the 1 to the 000. Definitely got to adjust that to 0 gap it. But very smooth compared to all my clippers when I got them, pretty much, besides probably the seniors and the magic clip. The other ones were very stiff when it came to the lever. It has a little bit of weight when I compare it to the magic clip, because the magic clip feels that all the weight is on in here in this area compared to this one. This one it has some weight at the end, close to where the blades are, but it still have like some weight on the back, so it's kind of more of a balanced weight, if you might call it like that. But in comparison to this one is heavier, definitely, but it's a little bit lighter. But personally, I don't longer care about the weight, because I got used to having heavy clippers. Because the Master is a very heavy clipper. Since day one, it became very lighter when they came to this model, the cordless. But this one right here, this one's heavy, and I think it's even heavier. Yeah, it's even heavier than the Masters. But I'm loving this clipper. I wouldn't change this one for nothing, but this one, I'm loving this clipper a lot. This one will go through any type of hair with no issue. This one, I found that there's some hairs that it will struggle a little bit. Not to cut it, but just to blend it when you go from a 0. And this guy can tell you too, because he figured that out as well. So right now, I gotta make a sound test. Sounds a little quieter than the Masters. Yeah, this one is way quieter. They close to each other. Yeah, magic clip. I think seniors for the win. Well, they were very close. Very close. So I noticed something. I gotta have this charged for a little bit until it's charged completely, but because that could be the reason why. But it feels like a little bit on the power, so compared to the other one. So I just gotta fully charge it, so then I can do a better judgment of it. But the ergonomics and everything, I like it. I like the ergonomics of it. The feel so far, like I said, can't wait to try it on a client today and see how that works. I just gotta wait to see. I gotta put it to charge and wait for a client to try it. Now I just gotta try to 0 gap it. Let's see if it is the same way that all the other clippers, that you only lose these screws here, and then you just, yep. Man, this blade moves very smooth when it comes to that. Oh yeah, right there. Should be good. That's good enough right there. So zero gapping, pretty simple, very easy, not hard at all. So all we need to do is just wait for that client to try this bad boy on. What's up, guys? So after working a whole day with the fast feed, I have to say I like the clipper. It's very good so far. I went to different textures of hair and it was pretty smooth. I zero gap mine. I was able to erase lines that I made with the clipper with no problems, even in dense spots. So that's good. You know, I have to still get used to the lever, because man, that moves almost like 90 degrees. It's about 45. It's around like 60 or 70 degrees. Because if you think about the way when it goes down, all the way down, it's not like it kind of stays parallel to it. It's like probably 35 degrees or 25 degrees. And when you put it all the way up, that's pretty much right there above 50. So it's pretty close to the 90 degrees. If you're regularly using a Masters, you will be used to the procedures of using these clippers, because it's basically the same, even though on the Masters the lever doesn't open that much. I use the Andis guards, and there is also a tiny little gap between the end where the guard clips and with the blade ends at the bottom where it begins. That's that little tiny gap that it doesn't go all the way in, but because I'm using the Andis magnetic guards, it won't move. But that's another thing. But I'm very comfortable using the Andis guards because of the magnetics, even though I have that tiny gap. Because the ones that come with factory, I just don't like them. Those slide in there at the beginning. You just have to break them down, obviously, but it's hard to put it in and then hard to get it out. So you know, you have to loosen up, and with time it will be easier. But you know, I just prefer to have like some clip on and clip out type of guards. Yeah, so far I'm liking it. You know, getting used to the type of power it has, because it's a constant power. But compared to the other ones, the way they feel on your hands, they feel more powerful. And so every time I'm using this one, I think it's gonna die just because of the power, how it delivers it. But it still cuts the same way. So you know, just getting that, because when you're using the other clippers, you feel when it's dying out, and you just be like, okay, this is about to die. So I always have that feeling with this one, but it's just because of the way it works. But man, overall, I can't complain. I can't really recall much about the old one, because it's been years that I haven't used the corded fast feed. But man, so far so good. So this is the guard system. They have the 1/2, which is equal to a number 4. The 3/8, this is equal to a 3. The 1/4, that's number 2. And the blending is more likely to like a number 1 than actually like a 1/16. So I would definitely recommend this clipper. It's very good, very smooth. You know, once you get used to bringing the lever all the way up like that and work it out, I think you will be pretty good. just like any other clipper, when you start using it, there's some little things that you have to do differently and start getting used to, and this is no different. But man, so far I'm liking it. I gotta keep on using it for the next couple of weeks, as often as I can with all my clients, and probably in a month from now I will give you a review of a whole month using this clipper, if I have faced any problems or run into any type of hair that was difficult to cut with it. But for now, that's about it, guys. If you let me know in the comment section what you think about this review, if you like it, and if you're planning on getting one. Until next time, guys, thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more videos to come.